Hey everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the beautiful Aster Creek in Dallas, Texas, and I'm at their pool area. Hey, we're at the kind of the outskirts of the pool area. You've got cornhole, of course, here, but you've got a really nice lawn that's here, so this is very, very nice. You also have a really beautiful area that's kind of leading up to it. So it's got some just lovely water, some unusual grass that's there. I love it. And of course, we are building up to the pool. The pool is up here. It's a really pretty pool. So we're about to see it. It's gorgeous. I think you're going to love it a lot. We're going to walk into it and take a look at it. And it's a gorgeous pool. This is what it looks like. Let's walk in. All right, so this is the pool itself. It's very pretty. It's just delightful. And we're on the fourth floor, so you've got privacy in this pool, and you've got some seats there in the water. Very, very nice. Beautiful, just chairs to really relax during the day or at night. And then you do have the pool itself. The pool is great. And one thing I really love about this too is, look at this. It's got kind of this fountain that you walk through. Just the water is coming down, so you can just kind of walk through there or swim through there. I love that effect. That's a really cool effect. And this is an infinity kind of pool, so you can see the water is kind of just going off the end there. This is a gorgeous pool area, a really nice pool. Love the view. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing here, or if you're ready to take a tour of this beautiful Aster Creek, and maybe you want to just see it virtually, what I might recommend is send me a text. Just go, hey Grant, I really like what I'm seeing. I'd like this high-rise, and I just want to kind of dip in and not actually travel there yet, but I'd like to see it on a Zoom tour. We'll set that up for you free at no charge through our service, and we'll take care of you with that right away. So send me a text, just use the number below, say hi, and request a virtual tour if you like. And I look forward to hearing from you. You can also just ask questions about the Dallas area or about all of the Best Dallas Apartments. We'll help you with those as well.